It's Dave again from Elysium Sophia, and today I did promise that we'd delve further into IBS and the ways that mindfulness can work with irritable bowel syndrome. Now, IBS is sometimes called irritable colon, nervous stomach, or spastic colon. It's known by so many other names. Sometimes people refer to it as IBD, IBS. IBD and IBS, as people who are watching this video will realise, they are two different types of things. IBS is triggered by the stress. IBD is more related to the disease itself and also with Crohn's or Crohn's colitis. Now, if you suffer, like I do, with any of those conditions, then it will really help for you to recap my balloon breathing and my mindfulness meditation sessions. It's really quite easy. Skip back to the video and it will show you how to breathe in through your nose and to breathe out through your mouth. As we breathe in and breathe out again. Follow the breathing pattern on my last video. Also, we looked at ways to check in or body scan, which is equally important, especially with people with IBS, IBD or Crohn's disease. Now, one of the main reasons how especially hypnosis or meditation helps with the condition is that, to put it simply, when we experience pain or discomfort, our brain goes frantic, trying to work out when we last experienced this pain and this sensation. Now, that's the science behind it. And what we do, as I mentioned in my last video, is we can actually turn down the volume from what's happening. So once the brain says, this is it, we've had this before, it focuses in on the system. And once it focuses in, then the volume increases and the intensity increases. Hence we start to feel more stress, pains and anxiety. Now, if we use that opportunity there to dub down that feeling, we can take control. We can take control by saying, look, I've got the contact buttons here. I can pull them down. I can reduce the volume and the intensity. I press the button and it eases down. Now, clearly we haven't got a button. But what we do have is through meditation, we can pause it. We can slow it down. And when we slow it down, we then take control. It's as easy as that. So, the next time or any time you're experiencing this, as especially an IBS flare-up, then the stress and the strain and the anxiety is not helping, as you know. So, please, think about my videos and think about when that happens, take back the control. Use mindfulness breathing. Use mindfulness meditation. Use the breathing techniques. Use the finger spinner, the digit spinner. The balloon breathing will help you to calm down, reduce the anxiety, reduce your heart rate, reduce your pulse rate, and then the stress will begin to melt away. It won't happen overnight, but it's like any other business. You work at it and train your body and your mind. And together, you can defeat and manage these symptoms. It really does work. It's quite simple. There's been research done all over the world. And mixed with science, it shows that meditation, with your own medication, obviously, will help. And help to control IBD, IBS, and Crohn's disease. It works for me. It might not work for you, but I promise you, try it. and see. Balloon breathing, de-stress. Then do a body scan, a nice slow body scan. Take back control. You can also use, as I'll go into in my next video, positive affirmations. And positive affirmations, without going into the science of positive affirmations and what it happens in the brain, is just basically telling yourself it's fine. It's not fine, I know. Because you're experiencing the pain and the suffering at the time. It's real. Crohn's is real. IBD and IBS are all real. But if you start to use mindfulness meditation, you can start to use this and you can start to gain back control. Breathing and body scan. Try them both. And then we can say things to ourselves. I'm calm. I'm relaxed. I'm calm. I'm relaxed. I'm in control with my medication. I will be fine. I'm fine. I'm in control. I'm fine. I'm in control. It's really cliche, I know. And it will feel alien at first. If you're already doing it, brilliant. But it does help. It will help. And together, body and mind working together, Elysium Sophia. Please try it. Like and subscribe. And see you again on the next video how we look at using different techniques. Thanks for watching. Namaste.